Because seriously, the edges on them. See how one edge is wider than the other?
I cannot see you.
I actually did this the wrong way.
It's really dark.
Yeah. Let me get the light. So you can see.
Right there.
Okay, I have a safer way for us to fight.
Paul, they're having fights
Like,
with
I
sharp
play
objects.
around about my knives.
Yeah, we have to have it with sharp objects.
Sharp objects.
Darlene, you're looking at the floor. Holy shit.
No, I was showing you him shaving his legs.
Oh,
Okay.
man, his baby's smooth.
Okay, they're gonna fight.
We're fighting with razor sharp objects.
They're gonna fight.
Razor
It's
sharp.
SmackDown.
Choose your weapons.
Razor sharp flashlights.
That's what y'all say.
Shut up.
As this guy's going like this on
Wait,
TV.
hold on.
It's like lightsabers.
Seriously, this guy's up on TV like this.
Oh, they're loud.
Okay. You can turn the whistle.
Oh, you will tomorrow.
Smoke since you don't smoke in the car. It's like a lightsaber.
Oh my God.
It's Star Wars meets Last Samurai.
You made a mess on my floor.
You have no idea, Paul. You have no idea.
Jake, come on the floor. Right there.
What are you drinking?
This is awkward.
Come here. Come here. Come here, right there. Bring back.
So, have we given you a bad impression of Americans?
Kayla.
It's a little twingy.
Good deal,
Oh,
good
you
deal.
cut my arm off.
Do what?
It's a little twingy.
She cut my arm off,
Like
Paul.
citrus acid.
Rach got her arm cut off.
Oh, what am I saying? It's not bad or anything like that. It was just you didn't expect
That's
it.
shit. You're getting
like
black.
Aw, you can't hug him now.
It might be.
They're jerking off the flashlights.
Are you done recording us now?
Oh, dude, you should
Spin and kiss.
No. Speaking of, while I've got y'all talking about flashlights and shit,